Hi guys, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna have a fun with aurora chrome. I will show you different ways of applying it, so you can put it into the inhibition layer or no inhibition layer. All of it gives you different results, and then we are gonna do a beautiful art with the sugar. Have a preview of it in here. So very delicate, and I love that color combination. I hope you really enjoy learning these techniques. If you're new in here, don't forget to subscribe, as there is tutorials coming up every Monday, Wednesdays and Saturdays. And to you guys who are with us for so many years, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So let's start. I really badly wanted to show you this color combination because I think it's so pretty. So we are gonna need a color 148 and then 149. They are like a pastel greens. And what I'm gonna do it is on this one I will paint this color. And it looks really nice and pretty on its own, but we are gonna make it even prettier. And then give it a cure. Do the same on the second tip. And then cure it too. On the third one, 149. And then cure it as well. Now, with this look, I have used Aurora 2. I'm actually going to show you both of them at the same time, because probably some of you will wonder. So this is Aurora 1, and then this is Aurora 2. You can see they are so slightly different. But the main difference is in a consistency, I would say. Like the Aurora 1 is just a touch bigger. And then Aurora 2 is much finer, so you can use it also as a pair, like as an inhibition into the inhibition layer as well. And on each color it will look slightly different. So I'm just gonna grab my first color, and on the first one I will apply High Shine No Wipe Top Gel. And as usual, for a chrome, you want to have those really beautiful finish. So you need to really inspect your top coat. Like if there is any uneven surface or bits and pieces, Aurora will really enlarge it. And then I'm gonna do it over this one as well. The difficulty level of this design, I would say, is pretty easy and fast and very salon friendly. So absolutely suitable for the beginners. Now on my other tip, we are gonna just wrap chrome over the inhibition layer. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the eyeshadow applicator. So for rubbing the chrome over inhibition layer, I always use the eyeshadow applicator or some sort of tool, like you could use the silicone tool, but eyeshadow applicator works absolutely fine. The reason for it is we've got inhibition layer, so you don't want to touch that inhibition layer with your fingers. And you can see it, it looks so pearly. Ideally, you want to almost over cure your gel polish, like, so I would cure it normally a touch longer than I did it for this one. But you can see it did change our nail into like a pearl. And it looks fantastic over different colors as well. So any kind of color. I would try to choose like as pastel-y colors as possible. Now I'm gonna grab my old top coat and apply over it. So you can see it is almost like a pearl, and you can change any color into a pearl. And that's what I love about it. Like when you've got one product and you can use it in so many different ways, guys. And then give it a cure. Same, our other tips are ready. This one was first, so let me do that one. And then I'm just gonna wrap this chrome over the high shine. So I bring it in, and then I'm just gonna wrap it in. Again, look how amazing it is. So beautiful. Do the same over the green one. And Olivia really actually loves, she thinks this one is nicer. I'm not sure, like I do really like the original Aurora as well, so different people like different things. Okay, now we need to protect our chrome, so I'm just gonna grab the top coat and just protect my design. Cure it. And then again, same in here. I definitely love the fact that we can wrap it into the inhibition layer as well. And I did some tutorial with the flowers. I might actually show you one if you didn't watch this one or if it didn't came out yet. This is my old top coat. So it has some bits and pieces in it. I will show you also how it looks on the flowers example. So I did some flowers in here, and you can see it. It can be wrapped also into the inhibition layer. Yeah, so it looks absolutely amazing, even if we use it only for the design. Okay, we are gonna grab a French gel, just a small scoop of it. And this is a paint gel, so it can be used without a top coat, and it is absolutely fine to do so. And the color number 238. So I'm just going to add a small scoop of this color to create a really nice and beautiful pastel-y pink. Just mix it well till you're satisfied. And also I think like this color combination is so beautiful. Okay, my first tip is ready. And I can just paint some squiggly design. They're always fast and effective to do. So let's do it maybe a kind of rose style on this one. So everything is top coated and everything is protected. And now I'm just gonna add a wee rose in there. I'm using the D-liner brush. It is a pretty simple design. So usually the D-liner brush works magic for me for those kind of simple design or line works. And what I'm usually trying to do it is like get some line and then start thickening it up and like make it as irregular as possible. Like the more irregular you do it, I think the nicer it looks. No, go like completely irregular. Then make this one to run in there and then thicken it up. So bring the product in, prolong it, and then thicken it up. This is for me the easiest way to paint the roses. Here I'm gonna have just a tiny bit, so not fully visible. But again, try to make it as irregular as possible. And then just add some simple leaves. Okay, happy with this one. And then I'm gonna grab just some sugar glitter and sprinkle over it. Okay, on this one we are gonna go for a squiggle. So I need to exercise my brush a little bit more. Get some UV cleanser to clean it off any product residues which may stock like in these parts of the brush. Pick up some product, and then you want to go number 8. So you can see it, my brush is a little bit stiff. Usually on the days when we're recording and I'm doing a first design, the first design like is the one which get my brush to train and to start to behave. Okay, and that's the reason for it is like I've got probably some product stock in there. Yes, I did clean it off. Okay, so now it should do much nicer. Still not best, but we should be able to pull that design. So always take your time, like even on the day when you're starting with your clients, take the time and do prep your brush. Okay, and I'm just gonna paint a couple of those swirly bits and pieces. Olivia is always like annoying as well, like doing those kind of designs, because she thinks they are actually quite difficult. So how would I say it to you, like how to make them nice and easier, is try to press harder and then much lighter. That's kind of give you a really nice and beautiful pattern. And then keep adding those kind of uneven lines, I would call it, into the empty spaces. So here I will go for a swirl. When I'm doing a swirl, I kind of remove the excess of the product from my brush and then just go around it. Squeeze something in here. And to be honest, that's plenty, like clients would love that. You can always stick a wee gem into those places as well. I'm just gonna keep it very simple. I basically just wanted to show you the different use of Aurora 2 and mainly the green and pink together, because I think it's like really fantastic way. And of course those pearly look. I am very curious how it will look over white, the pearl, and how it will look on the pastel pink as well. Now here I'm gonna go a little bit more chunky. Same like we did it on the other one, just so the things go together. Pick up more product and just color it in. For those of you who actually have the Aurora 2 and Aurora 1, let me know, guys, in the comments below, which one do you like better? Because I'm Aurora 1 team probably, and Olivia is Aurora 2 team. And then I'm just gonna add those swirly bits. Nice and tiny. And then put something on the top for a balance. If you start feeling your brush doesn't behave nice anymore, clean it off, like the excess of it. Excess of the product is always what makes your brush to don't behave. And the last line, very simple one. Sprinkle with the sugar. But the contrast in between those pink and green is like so pretty. Then I can show you the final results of this very simple design. We've got the swirly bits, remove the excess of the glitter. and then place it here. Oh, I'm not going to have this much room. But you can also see the difference in between an actual chrome and when it's wrapped into the inhibition layer. This is also a good way for those of you who don't know how to use the chromes and have tried it over the inhibition layer and was wondering why they are not that shiny. So you can see it, it kind of gives you more of a pearly look. Then this one should goes here, and that's the darker green 149. And then the last one, I'm just going to place it here on the top. That's what we have created today. I will go at different angles because I really want to show you those chromy glazed kind of look. And yeah, I need to definitely try it on the white as well. I hope you have really enjoyed it. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!